In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix suspended TikTok account. So first of all, launch open TikTok on your device. You can see over here TikTok has been opened. So if your account has been suspended, you'll be able to appeal for it. When logging in, a notification will appear regarding the suspension. Right now my account is not suspended, but I'll tell you what to do. So what you have to do is simply look for that notification and tap on the option appeal. Now follow through the instructions in order to submit your case. Appeal should be submitted as soon as possible. TikTok may permanently delete account data after 30 days if the ban is upheld. So what you have to do is simply follow all the on-screen instructions. You'll be able to fill out the form, include your username, contact email, and a detailed message explaining why the suspension was a mistake. You might also be required to provide the sufficient evidence. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to submit the appeal. Simply tap on the option appeal and it will be submitted. If your appeal is successful, your account and data will be restored. But before that, TikTok will look into your request. After that, if your suspension was really a mistake and you haven't violated any policy, your account and data will be restored and you'll be able to use your account. Your account will be unsuspended. So that is how you fix suspended TikTok account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.